what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streaming, and the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the land of the free and the home of the brave?
Please give it up for Mahika, a sophomore at the Math and Science Academy of Ocean Lakes. She's a flight commander in the local Civil Air Patrol Squadron, an award-winning AI researcher. She has sung for 8 years in a variety of prestigious